Super deals. 313mm Wheelbase Unassembled RC Body Kit RC Car Shell for 1/10 scale RC Crawler Axial SCX-10 and SCX-10 290046-90047 TRX-4. Limited time. Limited quantity. Limited discounts. Feature. Unassembled version. Made of high-quality plastic. Assemble yourself. Increase the fun of remote control cars. New 313 Wheelbase 324 Wheelbase RC Car Shell. Suitable for most 313 Wheelbase 324mm RC crawler cars. The door can be active open and closed. Fender can be removed. The body car shell weighs 800 grams. More materials, complete interior. More simulation, product specifications. Material. Hard plastic, shell color. Yellow, blue, green. Already painted, go back and assemble. Quantity. 1 set, wheelbase. 313mm, 324mm. Length. 455mm, 17.9 inch. Front track width. 200mm. Rear track width. 205mm. Weight. 800 grams. 313mm for Axial SCX-10 and SCX-10 290046-90047, 324mm for TRX-4. Package list. For 1/10 Cherokee Wrangler Body Shell Kit *1 set. Note. This product is not assembled. Need buyer assembly. Suitable for most 313mm wheelbase 324mm 1/10 RC tracked vehicles. Some frames need to be cut off. Need to have some hands-on ability. For the best offer, click the link in the description column.